Say YouTubers. I love
YouTube. I am finally on YouTube. And so, this is on her channel, but I finally got to be on there. We're a giant. It's exciting. Don't you think it's exciting? I'm going to talk like it. So let's see here. What should I get?
See, everybody likes your face paintings. She's picking out candy.
Candy. I don't know what to get. There's so many. Oh, should I get Sour Patch? Okay, guys, leave a link below if I should get Sour Patch or I'm not sure what they are. It's just like they're called that. Rolos. I just can't say it. I don't know why, but they're delicious. I just can't find them. Where are you looking for? I'm looking for the Intimates. There's only like one bag.
What?
Here they are. 120. They're 129.
Here, I might have it.
I have to wait. Line. It's like a minute. I got cheetah button. I look better with my sunglasses. I know my name's
Where's your sunglasses at?
I left them.
You looking at the house?
Well, it's dark outside. You don't want to see somebody wearing sunglasses in the middle of the night.
These are huge and they're dirty, but try them.
My other ones look better. When we get to the house, just put over here. Still look good.
These are huge.
This person's in the middle of the night wearing sunglasses. This is so exciting for YouTube.
I adopted a kid. I don't know if you knew. I need a half pint of 9 bananas and
$1.
I might have to run back to the car. How much is it?
Hey, Michael, go see what time Carrie comes into work tomorrow. And what else?
And that's it. How much is it?
6:22.
Alright, I'm going to Dominical. 1 second. I'll be right back.
I got it.
Hey, you watch all that.
I got it.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Geronimo, I will pay you back.
Yeah, you know what, we just put it in there.
Okay, I will. Bye. Have a good night.
Oh my gosh, we're just done. Now I'm going.
Wrong car.
Now I get to go home.
Okay, I thought you said it was going to be
Yes,
45
it's only
minutes.
2 minutes.
Get in the car.
Bye bye.